And today I'm gonna be playing Bedwars with my friends. Currently, my friend Dragon got kicked. Sadly, Team Purple. Sadly, my friend Dragon, got kicked, from voice chat. So, yeah, we're gonna be playing Bedwars together with no form of communication. And let's see how that goes. I mean, of course, not being able to play playing Bedwars is a pretty good content idea by itself. But how about not playing it? How about playing it with not having contact with your friends? So that's the challenge that we're gonna be doing in this video, trying to beat Bedwars, but neither of us know what neither of us are saying.
Where's the video?
What?
Where's the video?
I'm making it.
But where's the camera? Or are you just recording your screen?
I'm recording my screen, Mama. What do you think?
Mama says hi.
Mama's photobombing my video. Wait, no. My mama's video bombing my video. Ah.
I'm audio bombing your video.
Do you seriously have to sit here and take all my stuff? Yo. Alright, so, if we lose, I will, go up to a random I'm gonna go up to my mom and I'm gonna say, $5 to her for and without any context. JK, I don't know what I'm gonna do if I win. If I lose, I lose. Yeah, this is definitely going viral. This is raw and edited footage of me playing, by the way, so, if you came here for, good footage that actually is crispy, nice, and something that, like, the average person would, like, love to watch, well, then you come to the wrong place. Because this is just raw, unfiltered footage. Raw, unedited footage. What happens here. Nothing will leave this. This is just gaming. This is what gaming looks like for most people. Yeah, I'm gonna be yapping the entire time for your information. Denise, man. Denise, why'd you have to do this to me? Steph Wish, I lost a diamond! I swear to, crispy cinnamon honey buns that I will rage. And I am not kidding. Yes. Beautiful. Alright, hold on. How do I flip my camera? Don't stay your knees, make it top. Never put plastic over your head. It is deadly, everybody. I don't know why I have to say that to you, but most of the people probably watching this video don't exist because, of course, I'm going to get no viewers. This is literally like my 7th video or whatever. No, probably not even 7th, like 3rd. 4th, actually. I think it's 4th, yeah. Anyways, We need to make a ginormous ramp rush. He did the mesh. He did the monster mash. The monster mash! It was a graveyard smash. The monster mash. He did the monster mash. The monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. The monster mash. He did the graveyard monster. What? The mash. He did the monster mash. The monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. No, don't connect to Overwolf. Overwolf. Let's go over to here. You program. Over. Outplayed. Uninstall. 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 Outplayed is out. Uninstalling. Yes! Yes! Bye-bye, demon. You've been redded from my computer. Dang, my hiding's pretty good. Mama! Mommy! Mommy! I don't know what I'm doing, but mommy! They don't have a single idea that I'm here. Don't suck my knees and then that. Don't suck my knees. I want that. Dang. Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right. Hold up. Wait, that's my base. Alright. Let's see. Will I get a llama? Baby on the track. Oh, yep. We're cooked. We're cooked. We're cooked. Boom. Well, this was a fun time. Should I make a push for it or not? Man, this is very chaotic. Alright, yeah, so, this has been a pretty good video. I'm just trolling people now. Wait. Whatever you do, don't look behind you. Nah, no. Oh, they are so confused by what's gonna go on. What's going on? What's going on? Oh my gosh. Somebody will probably be looking at that bush and they're gonna be like, whoa. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. Me, mamata. Yo, editor, wait. I'm gonna go up to a person and dance. Wait, editor, cut that out. Editor, cut that out. JK. I don't have an editor. This is very boring. I don't know why I'm hitting my desk right now. I will continue to hit my desk out of pure boredom. It's a big scary man. It's a big scary guy. Should I make a push for it? I'll let my comments decide. Yeah, I'm just gonna be here for like 50,000 hours, so might as well cue the elevator music. Let's see. Wow, wow, wow. Alright. Oh, yup, there's some people near me. That might have... I am the most stupid and dumb person in this entire world. That's it. I'm crashing out. Bye, guys!